there is one more thing we need to learn how to do using the Pythagorean theorem. And that is to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance between 2 points. Okay? All right, so what they're going to do, they're going to give us the coordinates of 2 points. Here, they tell us that A is at 2, 0. So we're going to plot it. That's point A. And they tell us that B is at 5, negative 4. So that point is here. And we want to find the distance from A to B. Well, we're learning all about the Pythagorean theorem. So we need to make a right triangle. Any ideas how we would make a right triangle out of this? What do you think? Do you see this right triangle? Is that the only one? Could we have done this right triangle? Does that look like anything we've done before? Do you remember when we found slope using these little triangles? Okay, same idea, except now we're concerned with distances. Now, this distance that we are trying to find, this distance right here, if this is my right angle and this is my right triangle, which distance am I trying to find? I'm trying to find C, right? Well, do I know A and B? Well, I do. I can count my spaces, right? I've got 1, 2, 3. So the distance there is 3. I count the length of my other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that distance is 4. And now I can use the Pythagorean theorem to find C. So you pause the video and you find C. Okay? So I got that C was 5. So the distance from A to B is 5. Or I could say the length of line segment AB is 5. That's really how we wouldn't talk a whole lot about distance. We would say that the length of that line segment is 5. All right, this one's done exactly the same way. I want you to plot the points. I want you to draw the triangle. I want you to do the Pythagorean theorem. If you get a decimal, round it to the nearest tenth. Then turn the video back on and see how you did. If I did everything correctly, I get that the distance between those points, or the length of line segment AB, is approximately 8.1. If you had any issues, you can correct it. If you have any questions, write them down, and we will do practice with distance tomorrow.